Okay, this is Mary Kirby. I am talking to Jeff Sayre of Thales, and he's going to show us the cabin of the future. Okay, Jeff, let's see it.
Thanks, Mary. This is our concept seat, what we would call our concept seat. What you're going to be looking at here are just concepts, things that may or may not ever fly.
Yeah.
They're intended to provoke thought. So we've done a dual screen setup here, where the second or smaller screen works as both a touchscreen controller for the system and a second monitor, so that if you wanted to watch a movie on the large screen and have the map running on the small screen, you can do that. You can be working on the small screen, assuming you have a connectivity enabled platform, to do an SMS or email while you're watching the map up here, or any combination of those features, functions, capabilities that the system provides to you.
Okay. And then down here, is this the passenger, this is the control unit for the actual seat, or the remote control?
This could be the passenger control unit. Again, as a concept seat, you'll notice we have a PCU here, we have a PCU there.
Okay.
We've just installed a bunch of stuff so that you can kind of get the feel of different ways of controlling the system, different uses of the system.
Do you envision, though, being able to, or being interested in combining the seat control with the remote?
I expect that the cabins, as we go forward, will try to become more comprehensive in the control and more integrated. It'll reduce the amount of equipment on the airplane. It will increase the compatibility and the ease of maintenance, I believe, as you go across those platforms. It'll increase the pressure on the various vendors to work better together, to find ways to better integrate together. As we have a JV with Deal Lighting, you'll see here this particular cabin, the system will control the lighting. We can control the lighting from the IFE system, and we would envision that will actually go to a point where it's automated. So if you're in a premium cabin kind of configuration or a suite kind of configuration, and you start the movie, the lighting dims to accommodate an appropriate movie kind of mood. If you want to eat and you order your meal and it becomes the meal time, then the lighting comes up to the appropriate meal time. Of course, there's daytime, nighttime kind of features associated with those things. So I think as we move forward, you'll see a closer integration of all things in the cabin coming together, particularly where there are electronics that are required to control things.
Okay.
So in this particular seat, we've kind of overdone some things. We have a 3D monitor and a second monitor with controls, and two PCUs, one standard and one touch. We've just kind of thrown it all in to generate thought and concept.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.